Morning everyone, it is 19th of September, it's Wednesday, and I don't know if you can hear that, but that is Hurricane, whatever it's called this time, Hurricane Herman.
What letter are we on? Whoa.
Yeah, we're swaying a bit in here, in this car park for motorhomes, and it rained all night and some more. The sun has just come out like 5 minutes ago, and it's what, 10 o'clock? Yeah, just 10 past 10. So we need to be out of here anyway because our ticket is almost up. But let me show you where we're thinking about going. So at the moment we are at Port Rush, just there, and our final destination along this route was going to be here, the Castle Rock and the I'm swaying so much. The Downhill Desesne and this temple here. I'm not even going to bother trying to pronounce that. But just here, just next to, well, probably where the A is of Amoy, is the Dark Hedges, which is a film location for the Game of Thornes. So that's only half an hour away. So these two places we want to see today. It's a bit kind of doing it backwards, but once we've looked at those, we're thinking of heading back. Well, basically heading back down to Dublin, probably the long way round. But we're probably coming through here, through the Sperrine Mountains, and probably make our way round here or something. But we're aiming to have an overnight stop around about here somewhere.
Huh? There's a great big tree in the road. There he goes. Oh look! Oh, look at him. He looks.
There's 2 tractors behind me.
Alright. Doing his bit for society. You just look.
Whew.
Annoying bit there, isn't there?
It's hitting us. Spinning.
Well done, Herman. What's that? Somebody's shooting at us. Oh God, poor Herman. He probably thinks, what in the hell's going on?
Well, as you can see, we've arrived at the Dark Hedges, and I'm not too sure if it's the best place to be when it's really windy, but hopefully nothing will fall on us here. I've just seen a branch coming down. Now, I thought I'd take a memento. This is a piece of, well, stick, branch that's fallen down off of the one of the Dark Hedges trees, but you can tell why it's broken off. It's soft, it's rotten, but incredible. Or either that or I'm very strong. So I won't be taking this home. poor cows having to stand in this. I feel a bit sorry for them. Right, do you think we've had enough?
I think so.
Okay, let's go. Just for reference, you're not supposed to be able to drive down the lane here, but at the south end, if you turn into the Dark Hedges road, at the south end, it says no entry, but there is this car park kind of lay-by kind of thing. So this is obviously where we got Herman, and there's a plaque of Game of Thrones, which I'll read out in a moment, and some information about the Dark Hedges themselves, in case you want to come in. So here's the Game of Thrones plaque. You can clearly see the Dark Hedges in this picture, and it says down here, it says Season 2 Episode 1, The North Remembers. Following the death of her father Ned Stark, Arya escapes King's Landing disguised as a boy, travelling on the King's Road in the back of the cart along with Gendry and Hot Pie. I think that's these guys. All new recruits for the Night's Watch. Arya starts her long and arduous journey north. We have now arrived at Downhill Desesne and Mussenden Temple. It's a National Trust place, so parking is free. However, and entry is free. However, it's closed. This time of year it's closed during the weeks, and it's only open during the weekdays. But you can still take a walk around the place. So that is what we're going to be doing. But it's raining, so we're getting prepared, putting our waterproofs on. That means we might not actually be able to talk to the camera, might not be able to film anything, you know. So I'm doing this introduction right now, just to let you know. Well, we've come to our destination for today. It is, it's the car park to Brigmore Stone Circles, Cairns and all that kind of thing, and we're just gonna have a look at them right now. The weather is still windy, but the sun is out, so we thought we'll take a moment to take a look. I can see though that it looks like rain over there coming our way. out as well. Ow.
Whoa! We even read the sign if we were up.
That's what it means.
I know, it's not going to make a world difference.
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.